Hello. Welcome to weekly's Q&A. If you guys have any questions, please drop them in chat. So again, let's break down some pairs perhaps. Let me quickly go through some pairs and check is any nice setups were there early today. If any questions, drop them in chat. Any favorite pairs? If you trade any or you want me to have a look how I read them, so you can let me know. Alright, so that's sorted. Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. So let's have a look what market done to this morning. So I was away from the charts, but I was looking at the arrow. I think one of our members dropped the arrow chart, and so basically signs that I was kind of keeping an eye on it. Yeah, but let's say arrow. Let's check in the bigger picture where we are on the arrow. We are coming from peak formation low of the month on last. Yeah, we're coming out of the low of the month, low of the quarter, and stage 1 of the weekly, which is peak formation low. So if weekly range is looking to go bullish, stage 1, we want to see reclaim of open price, take out that previous week high for us to be able to go higher. Monthly is open as a resistance. Early this morning on London session, we had a peak formation high on daily and locally obstacle time frame 8 hour. So really nice setup there was for the shorts. If somebody took the short, so you basically can play anticipation of current daily range to go bearish, stage 1 on peak formation high, stage 2 on daily open fail. So we are developing bearish candle. What we're targeting previous day's low. And if we check on 5 minutes, let's check locally at the high of the day. Did we had a 1 bar entry? Yep, 1 bar entry right there. 5 minute, 15 minute time rotation, 8 hour peak formation high. This is entry bar. That's the entry bar. That's the entry by 15 minute time rotation, bang. Took out previous 15 minute, mitigate your risk. Daily open fails. It's crazy. The levels, it's just so ridiculously crazy. Easy trade. Yeah, easy trade. So obviously, like I said, stage 1, 2, 3 for it should come up at the S3 setup for daily, if I'm not wrong. Go stage 1. Alright, let me reload. Yep. So we can see it shows us stage 1, 2, 3, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. If daily range is developing bearish today, you know, that's our target till proven otherwise. Peak formation high, first sign of weakness, daily open fails, stage 2 confirms daily range is expanding bearish. But what we have locally here, we have locally peak formation on 4 hour, peak formation on 8 hour. So that's what 8 hours obstacle time frame for the daily. So did we had a 1 bar entry on did we had one, this is 5 minute, let's say on 5 minute, did we had 1 bar entry, you know, set up for the long? Yep, we did. We have a, this is our entry bar. We have what? Bullish price action at 4 hour time rotation with 8 hour peak formation low. Perfect. Entry, your stop at low of the day. Can you mitigate your risk in, that's your entry. Obviously it's took this high as a liquidity. That's 3 pips. Can you be risk free in 3 pips? I can. I can be partially risk free in 2.4 pips. Obviously my stop will be, you know, 2 pips, so I would be stopped down. If then, you know, that's on 5 minutes. On 1 minute, you know, you're looking at the same principles, 1 bar entries at low of the range on local S3, which again entry bar is that one. We have a S1 8 hour peak formation low, S2 15-minute time rotation. So what you're targeting, if that 15 minute is the first bullish 15 minute, so what does it should do? It should go and take out prior 15 minutes, right? That's what it does. Takes out prior 15 minutes. So entry, stop, partial risk free, you're risk free here. So if it comes down, original stops here. So if this is true low of the day, you know, it's never gonna be touched. So just simple sequence of objective entry criteria. No. Up there, same thing. Where is our entry bar? We need time rotation, stage 2. Time rotation is what determines your entry, your execution. You need time rotation for execution. So where is our 1 bar entry? At high of the day. It's this one down there. You have a bearish presence, 15-minute time rotation, you know, 15-minute stage 1 peak formation. So if this is true first bearish candle, what we anticipate, that previous 15-minute need to be taken out, correct? So a range close, opens new one. We have a, you know, fail reclaim of that new open. It's pushed back, comes back. You've been stopped out with the break even, scratch trade. If you aggressive like me with 1-2 pip stop loss, I literally will re-enter after, you know, again bearish presence. That will be this, just multi-time frame order flow. You know, we have a new 15 minute which respects prior 15 minute. But if your entry was after, you know, this bearish candle and your stop is up there, if this is true high of the day, this high will be not touched. So you're literally looking for you know, bearish presence rejection. Basically you're looking for what? Signs of weakness. This price action here, signs of weakness. Why? Because this 15-minute fails to go above the last failed breakout. Simple. What the targets you anticipating with this half the day setup? Simply stage 1, 2, 3 on what time frame? On 8 hour. Why? Because 8 hour is obstacle for what? For daily, correct? And we are failing to go higher because 8 hours says it's reversing. So 8 hour stage 1, 8 hour open stage 2, bang, and we're targeting prior 8 hours low, which is there. Yep. So basically we can see we hit it here, stage 3. There you go, your setup. High of the day, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Done and dusted. Entry bar. Entry signal bar. Entry bar is this one, that one. Then you have this one is your entry bar for continuation. Then again you have entry bar, this one, and so on. So this will be this one, this one, this one. Everything is objective, rule based, no any subjectivity. Stage 1, 2, 3 hit. So it's on arrow. So what was your, literally if your trade, let's say from, you know, this daily P formation high, you know, alright, it's like 13 pips, like nothing, but you know, same time, that's just, you know, your first sign of weakness on 8 hour. But remember, 8 hour is obstacle time frame for daily, so you're anticipating that if daily open fails / weekly open, where we are targeting, we're targeting down there. So you know, that is your whatever, you know, 50 pips. So nice and easy. You're risk free here. You absolutely don't care if you take your partials. You absolutely don't care if, you know, if it comes down or comes back up or whatever it does, because you know you've been risk free, and you can, like, literally you can see this, like this high of the 4 hour. Oh man, it's like big formation high on 15 minute, like local stage 3 setup, like crazy. Just again 1 bar entry, just 1 bar entry. Why this high of the 4 is significant? Because this high of the 4 respects prior 4 hour candle. But prior 4 hour candle is significant. Why? Because it's put high of the week, high of the day in place. So, you know, multi time frame order flow. Nice and objective. Everything is objective. So that's regards the arrow. Okay, let me check maybe gold. Let me check the gold. So it's new week. We're simply asking again, okay, where we are coming from last week. So did last week we done any significance? So where basically we are coming from last week. Where is the last week? This is what, 15-minute chart. That's current week. Alright, yeah, that's Monday, Wednesday. Alright, the whole drop is last week. So we put low of the month at previous range high on quarterly. So obviously that's was strength, you know. We had few guys who long this, long this setup based on low of the month and quarterly trend continuation setup at previous range high or quarterly. Nice and easy set. So what is the target? That was simply stage 1, 2, 3 on daily. We have stage 1 on monthly. We got stage 1 on monthly. So obviously we're looking what we want to see that monthly be reclaimed. For monthly to go bullish. Regards the weekly, same, you know, monthly is stronger than weekly. So weekly open holds. We are bullish. Look at that spikes back in that liquidity. So up there today again in London, peak formation high on 8 hour. Nice and easy setup. Short again 15 minutes, you have one bar entry. Just on 15 minutes you have one bar entry. If 8 hour flips bearish, so what we want to see, failure of the daily open till proven otherwise. So that's mean, you know, we should flip 8 hour and target the lows. But looking by this price action, you know, that's kind of sign of bullishness. Because similar like look at this price action, it's clear manipulation, like, you know, coming back in the area, stop hunting all this, retesting that previous range high, and this is signature of the really bullish move. So they left the liquidity there, and this is just tagged in to mitigate that, tagged in and take out whatever bogged here. So, you know, definitely bullish on gold till proven otherwise. Because look, we have weekly peak formation low now, weekly peak formation level, the last breakout, failed one. So could be pullback to the, you know, this level, could be pullback to previous range, peak formation low, open, like kind of open price this and go higher. At the same time, like you had a session trade high of the day, maybe the 8 hour peak formation high, absolutely nice. Just tagged it. Where is one bar entry? This engulfment right there. That bullish presence, flipping first 15 minutes, 8 hour, 1 hour peak formation. So entry should be simply, you know, after that, you know, after that candle, stop above or stop at the high, wherever, and the risk need to be mitigated with the local 15-minute S3. So where's the 15-minute target? This 15-minute target is bang, previous 15-minute low. That's one. With this candle there, you should be risk-free. Bang. You just literally targeting what? You know, you have 1 hour peak formation. So obviously first, you know, 1 hour, 7, 6. So this one there. This is S3 for 1 hour. Bang, tagged. So, and then you have a anticipation that this stage 1 on 8 hour does the job. S2. S2, 8 hour open. And we are looking for previous 8 hour, which is down there. Yeah, but this price actually kind of bullish, so probably would monitor, you know, like I said, this level there. Looking just by the liquidity, by the price action, definitely like this level. That's on that. take everybody out, jump in that imbalance level, you know, and see what they do. Or locally on small time frame, previous range low, the new hour, let's see, the new hour opens at half an hour. So that's new hour opens here. Yeah, the next hour opens here, and that's new 8 hour, new 4 hour. Yeah, at the moment is bearish. Like, I mean, local price action is bearish. Local price action bearish. Actually, they tagged this and had a small reaction. Don't have any failures. Okay. If this 4 hour peak formation low gets reclaimed, you know, 8 hour, yeah, could look for something bullish maybe. Back up, reclaim that 4 hour, 8 hour opens. Otherwise, you know, I'm more interested into this level now. But that's just simply just looking by the local single ranges. If we check on the market structure and liquidity, could be a different story. Regards the liquidity, yep, we had a monthly bullish market structure breakout hold, so we just continued bullish market structure on monthly. We have breakout market structure on 8 hour, we took out the liquidity and we just keep continue going up. Yeah, and we failed to go bearish on weekly structure, so yeah, definitely bullish. It's not even brainers. Like for me, like daily, weekly open holds, you know, literally if I see, you know, that 4 hour peak formation to hold, and we reclaim the 4 hour, 8 hour open, you know, I'm looking to go higher, take this liquidity out. Because look, we have this new scan liquidity level there, and then we have a 8 hour market structures liquidity there, and daily there. You know, that depend how aggressive it can go. If you reclaim this, you know, let's say 8 hour, 4 hour, you know, I can slowly scale, and if it shows you bullish local, you know, stage 1, 2 locally, like 1 hour 15 minutes or 1 minute, you definitely can, you know, look for goes higher. And targets definitely will be, I will say, yeah, first target will be definitely this level like that, because it's news candle liquidity level, and we have, this is the last bearish market structure breakout, you know, because we broke the market structure to short side and we continue down, and that's, you know, that's confirmed. So this is could be retest level to go lower, or either if we break, we go higher, we can retest the monthly's open and take out this 8 hour liquidity. If monthly gets reclaimed, you know, we have some cluster of liquidity there. This like really good zone. Yearly open, 2 liquidity levels, quarterly failed breakout to bullish side, you know. Yeah, this is strong levels here. On downside, if we bearish, I want to see, you know, these levels to fail. If these levels fail, you know, we're definitely going low. you know, we will have a bearish breakout on the weekly market structure, and we're going previous range low on monthly. So then we're looking for this liquidity down there, like these levels, this to be taken out. That's regards the gold, the market structure and ranges. Anyone is checking some pairs? Or does anybody traded anything? Actually, let's check some today's signals. I would love to see what we had this morning as this from the signal entries. Give me a second, I will just check in this one. Okay, let's break some weekly signal bars. So we had so what did we had this week? So that's the Monday. So we have a bunch of inside ranges on weekly, and we have many reset bars on weekly, and S&P 500 we have triple highs first red week, not the best combination. Let's check. I check some inside ranges. I will say whatever. GBP and ZD. GBP and ZD. So where is that? This one. So we have inside range on GBP and ZD last week. So what does it mean? That means we can have a look on our signal box, which will say that we were inside the range last week. So okay, so we simply say, okay, this is our low. We have already pre-formation low, stage 1 on weekly. Crazy. So let's reset this, and we have weekly S3. Please look at GBP USD. We'll check in a second. Okay, so what we have on this GBP and ZD. So we had a signal bar for this pair, a weekly signal bar. So it basically shows that, you know, last week was inside range on weekly, and we were at high of the month, low of the month. Basically this last range was at high of the month, low of the month, high of the month, basically. So nothing significant, it's kind of in the middle. But let's just quickly check. So if we were at high of the month, low of the month, that means this week I want to see does one of the extremes respects, you know, previous range. So basically where this inside range is coming from. So the last extreme we were put in place was low of the month. So we put low of the month and we, you know, closes the inside range. But now we're coming back. But low of the month where? Low of the month at peak. What's that level? That's yearly's previous range high. So we have a low of the month at previous range high. So So yeah, that's bullish, you know, that's bullish for this range. So we have a stage one on peak formation low and weekly. So what we want to see, we want to see weekly's open to be reclaimed and head for, you know, head for another side for the liquidity, head for liquidity. Peak formation low on weekly at previous range high on yearly, which is very strong setup. Very strong setup for buys. Very strong setup for buys. And look at that pin bar engulfment, bang, pin below, close above. Just came, tag it, and looking. So we reclaimed that open price. I'm literally looking low of the day buys till we take out the high. You know what resistance levels we have here. Just thinking like, you know, because you have obstacle time frames, you have a key levels. Resistance levels for weekly is what? Monthly open, monthly previous peak formation high. So for monthly to become bullish, for monthly to have fair sign of strength, we need to reclaim that level to confirm monthly is starting to go bullish. Fair sign for monthly is bullish already, peak formation low, because the weekly is obstacle time frame for monthly. So again, just objective rule sets. Yeah. Did we have the low time frame entries on that weekly peak formation low? So where is our first? So obviously we have low, 1 hour peak formation low. Our entry bar will be this pin bar, because that gives us the stage 2 on 15 minutes, saying that's first bullishness on 15-minute candle. So we anticipate that this will go higher, take this 15 minutes out, and push higher. At the same time, we anticipate with this peak formation low on hourly that, you know, with this peak formation on hourly, that we must to go and take prior hours high, which is this one. Bang. Stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. So basically it doesn't then jump in one candle, it continues next one. So you pretty much close over there. Just take partial so you're risk free. So your partial is risk free. Could be trapped earlier. Low. Yeah, probably on this entry that will be signal bar as well, because you will have a low. You will have a low. You will have a time rotation, and this hours should go and take the prior. It fails with the bearish time rotation right there, with this one bearish sign. So if you wait for confirmation that, you know, weekly gets reclaimed, you get reclaimed, bang, flips, 4 hour, new 4 hour opens, and bang, just pushes up, comes back. Kind of entry bar with engulfment, this one there. Probably in 5 minutes you will have engulfment right there. 4 hour time rotation and peak formation. Could be probably nicer signal entry, nicer entry bar. Yeah. So yeah, in 5 minutes, 5 minutes entry bar, 5 minutes entry bar. This will be stronger because you already had a peak formation, pin below high, pin below, close above. Just in 1 minute, let me check if there's fair value levels. Yeah, never been touched. Never been touched. Okay, maybe it comes later. Anyways, GU, GBP, USD, GBP USD 1 hour. Weekly signals nothing. Daily nothing today. The breakout on weekly's range 8 hour. So as you have session range, you go first green bar with peak formation high. That's Asia, ignore it. 8 hours triple highs, nice short, peak formation high in 8 hours. So daily is already failing. Okay, let me break. So there is no significance on daily or weekly as a signal bar, so I ignore it. So now how I would approach, like literally the market, also let's check on 1 hour. So you want to see it, okay, did last week we done any significance in the market? I mean by high of the range, low of the range. Did we put in place, major high or major low last week, which is Friday, Tuesday, Monday. No, we didn't. It just was high of the week was put in place from high of the month. From monthly open. So high of the week was with peak formation on daily, and high of the week was put in place at the monthly's open. That's news candle, but if there was no news, so you can have a nice easy short. So it looks, just let's check where we are on daily and weekly. So obviously last week we had peak formation high on weekly, so that's stage 1. Stage 2 open failed, so obviously we should come down, take this one out, but weekly open is bullish. We are pushing higher. Daily goes up, takes the previous day high out, bang, 8 hour, first sign of weakness, bang, bearish. So we have first sign of weakness from high of the day, peak formation high on 8 hour and daily. So if we just put stage 3, stage S3 for 8 hour and daily. So if this is true high of the day, stage 1, 2, 3, we're looking for taking out low of the day. For daily, if we continue, if daily open fails, with this S3, with S3 projections, it's really good because you say, okay, if 8 hour does the job and takes out previous candle, so look where the price is gonna be under the daily open, right? So it's automatically can transfer that, yep, it confirms that daily is going bearish, and we're going to take that previous Friday's low out till proven otherwise. But first is like, okay, so if we just change time rotation to daily, so it gives us our daily window. It gives us this daily window where daily open and daily closes. So basically it gives us this window, our today's range to play with. So you just simply ask yourself, okay, even from daily open, you can, like, let's say bar replay, that's the first candle of the day. turn this one off. So that's the first daily candle, right? So you literally say, okay, this is the today's range I'm playing with. So, and if you're anticipating daily's range expansion regards the daily's candle expansion, right? So you just simply, okay, you know, as far as we are above the daily open, you know, we're bullish till proven otherwise. So where we are at peak formation high. So basically we are the last failed breakout. We took this high out, Thursday's one, we fell back, and then we reclaim. So basically we have lost breakout level there. So if we reclaim, what does it mean if we reclaim? It basically means we, you know, it means we are here, right? It means we are here of the breakout level. So we might go higher because daily flips bullish. Daily respects previous day. You know, low daily is trend continuation. You know, weekly is trend continuation. What levels we have? What levels we reclaim? Look, peak formation low on monthly. So monthly is failing to go lower, right? So it shows us the bullishness that we, you know, as far as we reclaim this level, peak formation previous peak formation high, or when it's reclaimed, it will be previous range high. As soon as we reclaim that level, you know, I'm anticipating, okay, we're going higher, taking the, you know, previous day's high. So that's the target. So today's range, if we go up, we take this one out, and then we have a key level there, which is peak formation high level from the weekly. So if weekly wants to go bullish, which shows it does because we are above the weekly open, so weekly candle develops bullish. So for weekly, I need to reclaim that to take out what? Previous week's high, right? Previous week's high, we have liquidity there, where at monthly is open. So really nice confluence. So reclaim that, go up there. So we say, okay, that's our level. So what happens in opposite direction? So what levels I need to be aware if we're going downside? So as far weekly open fails, you just like, yep, that's what's, if weekly open fails, that's what for weekly range. That's sign of weak, that's weakness confirmed, right? That's sign of weakness. So it confirms that we're failing to push higher. So if we, and then, you know, as soon we fail under that, you know, previous range low of monthly, you know, there's nothing to stop us to go lower, right? So we literally, for daily candle objective is what? Take this low out of the previous day and do the breakout and just continue lower. Just regards the ranges. Just regards the single range. So then now we can see, okay, what did the market done? So it's open, it's pushed higher, took that previous day's high out. What's that? Peak formation high, right? So it's sign of weakness. It's first sign of weakness on daily range. So we reject, we try to come back, new 8 hour opens. What the 8 hours objective? If we go higher, take prior 8 hour out, right? It does the job, but it fails to continue. So we create peak formation high on 8 hour at high of the day. What's that? Sign of weakness for daily range, because 8 hour is obstacle for daily. So we're literally looking for shorts. So on lower time frames, you're looking for local entry S3 setup there, you know, for stage 2 to show that proof of evidence that bear steps in. So what is the objective now? Objective for 8 hour, stage 1 on peak formation high. Next, we need to confirm that 8 hour flips bearish. Stage 2 at open price, it does. Look, rejection, absolutely lovely. So, and objective for 8 hour is what? Take out the low of the day, because that's the prior range roll, right? So as soon we come down there, where we gonna be? We will be at weekly's open and peak formation low on the monthly. So, and if these two levels fail, you know, the target is simple, previous day's low, you know. So now if we check just on market structure and liquidity, what we have extra there? So extra there we have a failed bearish market structures break. So we attempted to break market structure on daily on bearish, we failed it. We reclaimed that level. We have bullish market structure break on 8 hour, we retested, so this was easy buy to the up. We have last storyline level of weekly's liquidity, so that's last weekly's liquidity. That's stage 1 of market structure, and that's stage 2 on market structure, because we back in with failing market structures bearish breakout. So yeah, same as for ranges, if we go higher, you know, we have weekly's liquidity level there and nice liquidity pull up there. So weekly open is already bullish, so you know, as far as we hold, if we reclaim that peak formation high with the previous range high on daily's range, you know, I'm bullish to expecting to go high and take the liquidity out. If we fail that level, I mean, if we failed the open price, daily's open price, you know, last weekly storyline, if we fail this level, which is open price for weekly candle, oh, there is absolute beauty liquidity pull there. Look, we have nice liquidity pull to just dip it in. Yeah, because this low, at this low didn't sweep nothing, rejected. Yeah, it came back to mitigate this area, but it didn't sweep anything. Yeah, it didn't sweep anything, so just literally sitting. So this is definitely nice liquidity pull. So locally we had nice easy invalidation short setup of high day. So now you want to see, yeah, now you want to see that this 8 hour stage, this 8 hour S3 setup holds, and we fail under the open, and we literally targeting this. Yeah, we're literally targeting this liquidity. You know, we might have a reaction from this first, something like this, you know, but that's like half day left for this drop move, which is probably, if it happens, the New Year there, or you know, liquidity up there, or we just chop around. But end of the day, that's kind of targets for me, this liquidity and this one up there first. So please, I want to request for EU, but I think it's similar GU. Ton, I already covered EU. So as soon I finish, you can rewatch on the lives. So I already broke down the EU. So yeah, that's, you know, looks good for this, like liquidity down there, liquidity up there. Yeah, you know, same on same on EU. We had you know, high day setup with S3 setup on the 8 hours and high day. But yeah, like you said, really similar. It just invalidations maybe will be, you know, for EU. I just remember. Yeah, look, you have a okay, yeah, I think it was like 13 pips. S3 setup was done from high to low. On EU, if we fail open, if weekly's open fails, yeah, I'm looking to downside. If daily opens fails, you're looking for downside. So you can look for, because you know we have peak formation high on daily. So stage 1, daily open fails. Stage 2, you're literally looking for, you know, go take this low perhaps out. But this kind of push, I think similar to gold. Yeah, looking to short side, you know, but same time locally you have, you know, same S3 setup on 8 hours. If you just check on 1 minute, but it's kind of sluggish, you know, kind of small move like this move is like 13 pips is nothing. If daily does this, or if the daily does the, you know, S3 setup, that's I think like 50 pips from up there. Yeah, still like on S1 on 8 hour, you know, you had entries there, and it can be risk free. Yeah, anyways, thanks whoever joined. That's it for today. I see you guys on Wednesday on workshop, and YouTube I see you guys next Monday. Thank you very much, and see you. Bye.